Hello, beautiful ladies. I hope you must be staying safe and healthy, and you are definitely taking care of your proper hygiene and proper health, because hygiene is a very necessary thing for leading a healthy and safe life. Today I'm going to share with you a very nice remedy which is going to heal your problem a lot. Actually, I have also used it. I have experimented that remedy over me, and then I'm going to share it with you. And this remedy is for sunburn. You must have heard about sunburn. When sunburn occurs, then some sort of irritation and redness occurs on the skin, and which lasts for so many days, and it makes the skin look bad, and you just feel uneasy when you're feeling that your skin is burning from inside. So these are all the symptoms of sun burning. So I have brought for you a remedy. If you have such problem, or you are sensitive to the exposure to the sun, then you can use this remedy, and it is definitely going to heal your problem up to a great limit. So let's continue with the video, and not making you very much waited, I'm just going to share the remedy with you. The first ingredient I'm going to share with you, it is rose water from Elf's Goodness. And this rose water I bought it from Purple website, purple.com, and you can also get it from there on good offers are there available, or discounts are also there. So why this rose water, what it does, because sunburn makes your skin irritate, or burning sensations you feel, so it calms down that burning sensation and soothes your skin. Next ingredient I'm using is turmeric essential oil. You can see it is turmeric essential oil from Purple brand, and it is also, I got it from Purple website. So you can go there and get both these products on lot of discounts. So guys, what it does, because it is essential oil of turmeric, and turmeric is having natural, it is a natural skin brightening and skin lightening agent. So what it will do when you will use in your remedy, then it will heal the problem of tanning. If sometimes sunburn also leaves a tanned skin, so it will heal that problem. This remedy you can use every night before going to bed, because it is good if you will use at night. It will give you better results, because in the night time skin repairs and heals itself more than the daytime. So you can use it every day in the night time. Besides, as I have told you, it will not only reduce the sunburn, in fact it will help your skin to get the lighter and brighter tone. As you can use it, you can use this remedy on everyday basis, no problem. There is nothing to worry, it is totally safe. I always bring safe things for you. So guys, if you have enjoyed my video and you like my remedy, and if you feel so that this remedy is effective and useful for you, then give me one thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching my video till then. Thanks. Bye bye.